In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass edit and delete shifts when you're viewing all of your organization's schedules at a time. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected, then choose Schedules. You should arrive at your organization/day view. For this tutorial, I'm going to change this to the organization/week view by clicking Views on the top menu bar and selecting Organization/week. Now I've arrived at my organization/week schedule. If I want to edit more than one shift at a time, I can only select shifts that are at the same location. So if I scroll down, I could not select a shift from Coffee Shop C and a shift from After Hours and edit them at the same time. But I can select multiple shifts at Coffee Shop C. Let's say this is a special week and Coffee Shop C is going to stay open half an hour later. So I want to edit all of these ending shifts. To do that, I will select each shift. Notice in the top menu bar next to Update, there is now a blue 6, letting me know how many shifts I have selected. To edit these shifts, click Update. Next, select Edit from the drop-down menu. Now I can change any of these parameters, but in order to do so, I must check the box next to that parameter. So I could change the date, or the minutes, or the time. So I'm going to select the box next to time, and I'm going to change the end time to 7 p.m. So I will scroll down, choose 7. I could also change the break, the station, the shift group, and I could add a note. Maybe I'll check this box and put ending late. If you changed your mind and you don't want to make these edits, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now all those shifts are ending half an hour later. I could also copy or move a shift. Let's say I have a shift in After Hours that I meant to schedule in Coffee Shop C. Let's say this one. Then I can choose Update, and from the drop-down menu, select Move. Then select the location you want to move this shift to. I will choose Coffee Shop C. If you changed your mind and you don't want to move this shift, click Close. I do, so I will select Submit. And now that shift has been moved to Coffee Shop C. I can also copy shifts by doing the same thing, clicking on a shift and choosing Copy. If I didn't mean to do that, or I wanted to get rid of that shift altogether, I can click on that same shift, choose Update, and select Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this shift. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that shift has been deleted. Again, I could have selected multiple shifts either of those times. That's how you can mass edit and delete shifts when viewing multiple location schedules at a time. Check out the next video to learn how to mass assign and clear employees and breaks.